So this is an example of how to import an accrual schedule from an Excel file. In this scenario here, we're looking at an accrued bonus reconciliation. So just imagine it's the beginning of the year. Your team determined what your bonus accrual journal entry is going to be for all 12 months for the year coming up. You can import that schedule directly into this reconciliation here, and then the schedule is going to automatically roll forward for you each month. So let's take a look at this example. So I created this spreadsheet here. Just imagine I'm going to be accruing $50,000 each month, and really pretty straightforward, right? We have one column here, which is the fiscal month that we'll be making the accrual. We have a description over here, and we have a dollar amount of the accrued amount. Now again, in here, your fields don't need to be in the same order. You could have your date as in column C. You could have the amount in column A. That's okay. But it is always best practice to assign proper field name headers in your Excel file. These field headers right here, these should line up with the BlackLine field headers for your supporting items. So when you go in and you create a supporting item in a BlackLine reconciliation, you'll see a field called date, a field called description, and a field called transactional amount. And that's why I name my field headers on my Excel file the same. Okay, so let's go through of how to import. So I'm back in my reconciliation. You can see we're using accrued template right here. And all we need to do to start the process is click on this import link. The only thing we really need to fill out in here is the description. I'm going to call this a 2024 bonus accrual. And then click on the Browse button to go out and find your Excel file. Right, if I scroll down, at the bottom here, you'll always be able to see the records that were on the Excel file, right? We're seeing fiscal month and description and dollar amount of the journal entry over here. If we go through these fields here real quick, worksheets. So if your Excel file has multiple tabs on it, you can tell it which tab contains your uploading data. And then again, on the right here, these are our Excel field name headers. And on the left, these are the BlackLine supporting item field header names. So this ensures that the date field on my Excel file is going to be used to populate the date field on the BlackLine supporting items schedule. All that's left is to tell the system which Excel records you want to import. Again, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be all of them. So I'm going to click the Select All button here so everything gets check marked. And the last step is to click the Import button. And boom, here is your schedule that just got uploaded into the system. Okay, and you can always go back and see the detailed month-by-month schedule by clicking on your scheduled icon right here.